Well, go figure. This air rifle just arrived. It's supposed to show up, they said, before 9 o'clock tonight, so kind of interesting. It showed up early, but it comes in a really long box, and then of course it's in another box. Oh, jeez. Anyhow, here's what we have, and it comes with a scope, 2 barrels, some tools, put it together, and we'll take a look at it. Let's see, I'm not sure what you guys are going to see. We'll take that off. And yeah, well, it doesn't come in a, yeah, it comes in one box, and it does have a lot of warnings on it. Let's see, what does it say here? Another warning on the outside. What does it say? It says RS2 rifle combo. This air gun is recommended for adult use only. Careless use may result in in serious injury. Let's see, dangerous within 450 yards. And this is a pellet rifle. Well, I guess it's shooting at such a high velocity, that's what it does. Intended for adult use only. Read all instructions, yes. Do not, it says, do not brandish this like it's a firearm. Or, of course, you may end up being killed by the police, which is possible. I remember there was a case here where they found a guy who had a BB rifle in his car, and apparently he brought it out, and the cops thought he had a regular hunting rifle, and they killed him. So you really got to watch this stuff. And they said, do not alter this. Do not alter the use or the look of this to look other than a BB rifle. Comes with scope and the mounts. Got those. So I'm going to have to put that on. Now, some of these came with 2 barrels, but I don't think this one here is not one of those, I don't think. The only combo it is actually, oh yeah, okay, so here's the paperwork. So it comes pretty much put together already. It is pretty heavy. I want to tell you, that sucker is actually pretty heavy. They said 8.5 pounds, which is about right. It is probably 8.5 pounds. That is something else. Comes with a hard rubber buttstock, so that's good. And it is made by Beeman. Originally they were made in Germany, actually. So that's what I'm going to be shooting on Saturday. I have to go ahead and let's see what else we got in here. Anything else? Yeah. It looks like everything's set so that everything's there. Yeah, they have another setup where they send you 2 barrels. Well, this is just a single barrel, so I don't believe there's supposed to be 2 of them. Let's see. What do we got here? Got paperwork. Let's get rid of that. Yeah. So, anyway, that's what we're looking at Saturday. And make sure you read all instructions. Well, there you go. There's all the instructions. There's a nice little pamphlet comes with it. And so we will see what we can do with that. And this is the same kind of routine where you break it open to load it. I believe. Let's see how you. He said it's really hard to do. I don't know. Let's see. And there's actually something written in there that's small too. I don't know if I can. Wow. That thing is really. I'm going to have to see how you're supposed to really do that, because this thing is really stiff. So anyway, so we shall see. It does have come with iron sights, but I'm going to put the scope on it. Because why? Because I have it. So anyway, so it showed up early enough where I'm going to go use it on Saturday. So I just wanted to show you a little unboxing video. We shall see. We'll try it out in the field and see what it does. So that'll be it for now. I gotta go read some stuff. See you guys later. Well, here we are back again. And I want to show you that I just finished getting the scope on this. And it didn't take very long. I got the scope back on it. And there, take a look at it. And yes, I did open it up so they could be cocked. And it's only one time it can be cocked, and that's it. It does have a little red dot reticule down there on the end. If you take a look down at the end, I don't know if you can see it or not. But the only thing that gets me is I'm looking everywhere trying to see anywhere that it has a .177 on it. And it wasn't until I cocked this thing until I found out for sure. There's a stencil right up there at the very top. I don't know. See if you guys can see it or not. I don't know. But it's right up here. And it does say .177. So I know it's at least the right one. But this thing is heavy. It really is heavy. It weighs 8.5 pounds, which is only like a pound or two less than my my M1 Garand. And now it's cocked. There's no pellet in it, and it does have a safety down here. That's a safety. Now safety off, safety on. So can't accidentally shoot myself. Now, listen to this thing. There's a little recoil, not much, but it is very noisy. So that's the other thing. You can see there's a little recoil to it, but it's not all that much. But yeah, in fact, I saw another one somebody had, and it had actually a silencer on it. Why? I don't know. I guess if you want to be a sniper, but I mean, I don't see a reason for it. So yeah, there you are. Completed rifle, .177. Beeman company makes it. It's an RS2. It says 1,000 plus feet per second. So I've seen a couple different things where it says 1,000 plus up to 1,200, so I don't know. I don't know which one's right. Anyway, you get up to 1,000 feet per second and it's still gonna go through stuff. So anyway, there you go. That's it. And they said after a couple thousand rounds, they said, yeah, you can wipe the barrel out with some oil. That's it. A lot different than shooting a regular cartridge rifle. And then on top of that, the other deal was, you wonder, well, how are you going to sight this thing in? And it says, you only need 3 shots. It said, they actually say 3 shots to sight in the scope. That's it. That's all you need. My brother Ron, with the one he had, screwed it on. It was shooting dead on every time. So I'm hoping I have the same kind of luck with this one. So there you go. That's it. See you guys later. Fall over. Hold on for a second. And away we go.